Ready for your next manicure? First, let us show you how to gently remove your press-ons using our Express Nail Glue Remover, which works with both our liquid nail glue and our glue stickers. Before you begin, remove the silicone cap from the pen tip. Hold the pen so that the small opening faces downward. This allows the liquid to flow evenly to the tip. The flat side of the tip should face up, while the angled side should face down. Now, carefully place the pen at the edge of your press-on and gently slide it between the press-on and your natural nail. Don't apply any pressure. This helps protect your natural nail. Next, gently press the end of the pen until a small drop of liquid is released. Then let it work for about 10 seconds. If you're using the pen for the first time, press it 3 to 4 times briefly, then once a little longer to get the liquid flowing. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the nail so the remover is evenly distributed, allowing the press-on to lift off as gently as possible. Once you notice the nail starting to loosen, carefully lift it and wiggle it back and forth. A slight twisting motion can also help. Take your time and never force it. If needed, simply apply a little bit more remover until the press-on comes off on its own. After use, wipe the pen tip clean and replace the silicone cap so it's ready for your next application. To remove any glue sticker residue from the underside of your press-on, make sure the nails are completely dry first. Then use an orange wood stick, place it in the center of the glue sticker, and gently roll the residue away. It's quick and easy, and your press-ons are ready to be reused. Please note that this method only works with glue stickers. Residue from liquid nail glue cannot be completely removed. To finish, give your nails a little extra care by gently massaging our nail oil into your cuticles and natural nails. And just like that, you're all set for your next look.